Hi guys, and welcome to another quick inform video. So today I'm showing you how to take a screenshot on the new Moto E5 Play. This is by Boost Mobile. So this is one of the newer phones that just came out on Boost Mobile service. So you can see nice Motorola logo and everything. I have an unboxing of this phone and review pretty soon. So yeah, let's get to it, guys. I want to make this video so long. So basically, if you ever want to take a screenshot of anything, it's super important that you know how. So let's say I want to take a screenshot of my apps real quick. All you have to do, guys, is pretty simple. On the right, there's the power button and the volume down. All you have to do is hold them both at the same time. So 1, 2, 3. And then boom, there you go. You just took a screenshot, guys. Doesn't matter what you're on, it'll still take a screenshot of whatever. Now, to get to your pictures, you just go to your photos, and then you go to device folders, and there you go, guys. Screenshots right there. You click on it, and and then there you go, guys. That is it. There they are. And here's another screenshot I took earlier. Same thing. I took this a couple days ago, like at 10:19. So yeah, guys, that's how easy it is to take a screenshot. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragon Warfare sign off. This is how to take a screenshot on the new Moto E5 Play. Works for all carriers, not just Boost Mobile. So any Moto E5 Play, it'll work.